It's time for a brief tutorial on helpful gestures in WipFrag, an overview of the gestures you can use while working with an analysis image in WipFrag. WipFrag is WipWare's fragmentation analysis app for analyzing blasted material instantly. After a blast, you can analyze the fragmentation of the blasted material using WipFrag. During the analysis process, some gestures and tools are available to help you analyze the material effectively. You can zoom in and out on an analysis image using the pinch gesture on mobile devices or the mouse wheel on desktop computers. You can pan around the zoomed-in image using a two-finger touch and drag on mobile devices or clicking and holding the mouse wheel on desktop computers. You can perform a block leak test to highlight any particle you touch and display its size. To enable the block leak test, tap and hold without moving until the progress bar fills on mobile devices, or right-click and hold on desktop computers. You can drag your finger or cursor around the image to test other particles once the leak test is active. The test ends when you lift your finger or cursor. You can show the block colors to highlight all particles in the image with a range of hot and cold colors depending on their size. To enable block colors, double tap and hold until colors appear on mobile devices, or double right-click and hold for desktop computers. The hotter the color, the larger the particle, with true red being the largest particle. You can slide your finger or cursor up and down to change the opacity of the colors. The colors disappear when you lift your finger or depress the mouse button. These helpful gestures and tools are available to help you analyze your material effectively. WipFrag is an easy way to get particle size and shape distribution data in moments, right in the mine. Good luck with your next analysis.